see I'm just lifting the dark out. Can you see that? Wherever I see, so you're going to do that. That's finishing. You go right back, and normally in oils, a lot of people paint in acrylic and then they finish in oil. So the finishing you generally then do in oils. So this would be where you do. So you do your glazing in your oil and all these little highlights. So your highlights and base lights, you do that. So all I'm doing is can you see I'm just putting little dots in, just where I want more depth. Can you see that? Not everywhere, only where I see it needs depth. So where I see there's, can you see, like, look there, it's way more three-dimensional immediately. The only trick with this is be very, very careful that you don't overdo it. This will probably reflect in the water. I'll show you how to do that. So I'm seeing this because it is the wrong way around.
Yeah.
So I'm just doing so really look at it. Like a lot of very good artists will spend 2 hours staring at the canvas. Like I'll sit on that chair, that's why the chair is there, and look at the canvas for like half an hour before I decide what to do. I don't just randomly paint. So you need to sit down, have a coffee, look at what you see. Look there, can you see it? It looks beautiful. Can you see how it's... So I'm really letting the painting dictate for me what it wants. And then you do the same with the light.